What's up guys, Chigs here from Chigs Tech Reviews. Today I got my hands on a brand new fitness smartwatch with an AMOLED display. It's 580mAh waterproof and you have a 24-day battery life and lots more. So this is the latest Xiaomi Amazfit GTR. Now first of all, inside the box you will find a user manual, a USB magnetic charger, and of course the smartwatch itself. Now you do have a tough and attractive build quality. The body is made from aluminium alloy with ceramic bezels going all the way around, and I have to say it does look like a well designed and durable looking smartwatch. And you can also pick this up in a stainless steel version if you prefer that look. Now on the front we have a 1.39 inch AMOLED touchscreen with a resolution of 454 by 454, and that is maximum brightness. I am going to put the brightness to halfway, just above halfway, and to show you that it does look absolutely amazing. A very nice responsive AMOLED touchscreen display. Now you also have Bluetooth version 5. Now this watch is running a custom basic OS and it is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Furthermore, you've got a built-in 410mAh battery which promises around 24-day battery life, which is quite incredible. And this watch has an IP68 580m rating, which means you can go underwater swimming with this up to 50 meters. Now the watch dimensions, it's 47.2 millimeters in diameter and only 10.7 millimeters in thickness and weighs 52.4 grams. And to give you an idea of the size, I will bring in the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So this is how they fare side by side. Now the Galaxy Watch is 46 millimeters in diameter with a 1.3 inch screen. It's 13 millimeters in thickness and weighs 63 grams. Now compared to the Amazfit GTR, which is 47.2 millimeters in diameter with a 1.39 inch screen, it's 10.7 millimeters in thickness and weighs only 52 grams. So quite similar in size, however the Amazfit is slightly slimmer with a slightly bigger screen. At the straps we have hybrid leather straps with soft silicone on the inside with these very comfortable ridges and a very smart looking brown TPU leather finish on the outside. Now the watch itself feels quite comfortable on the wrist. It's very slim and light, and the straps are also very easy to remove and replace with your own 22mm strap. Now on the side of the watch we have two buttons. One is for power and the other one is a back button, and on the other side we have nothing. And at the bottom of the watch we have an all-day optical heart rate sensor and your charger pins on either side. So I'll quickly show you the charger. It's a magnetic charger, so you just drop it on top and you can go ahead and charge that up from any USB source, and it will take around 70 minutes to charge up. And it's quite a strong connection. It's not going to come off very easily, as you can see. So great magnetic USB charger included. Now this watch connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth version 5, and you do have an advanced built-in GPS and GLONASS, so accurate GPS included. Furthermore, there is no Wi-Fi, no SIM slot or no NFC. So you do need to be connected to your smartphone via Bluetooth, but it does support both iOS and Android smartphones. So this is basically a fitness smartwatch. And the main functions of this watch are all-day activity tracking with calorie and distance information. You have notification, alarms, sleep monitoring, and lots more. I'll quickly go through the system apps. So if you swipe up from the bottom, you've got status, heart rate, workout, activities, weather, music, notification, alarm, alerts, event reminders, more, and settings. So if you click on more, you've got a compass, timer, countdown, and find your mobile. If we swipe to the right, you've got a shortcut to your heart rate sensor, which we will be testing in a bit. If we swipe again, you've got your step counter, and that brings you back to the watch. If we swipe down from the top, you've got some quick toggles and settings so you can adjust your brightness, etc. Now let's talk about watch faces. You can download new watch faces directly from the smartphone app. So you click on settings, go to watch face settings, and these are all downloadable watch faces that you can immediately download. Now I'll download one just to show you how long it takes. So if we just choose a random watch face, this one here. So if you select it, It will say sync watch face, and it will tell you the download size is 656 KB, which is under a megabyte. So it's not a huge file to download. So it's already downloaded. It's now syncing it directly to the watch. Now this process can take up to 1.5 minutes to download and send the watch face directly to your watch. So download dial is successful. And there you go, the watch face has now appeared. Now the Amazfit app will give you detailed information on your health activities. I haven't done anything yet myself, but you've got walking, running, cycling, sleep data, heart rate, your weight, goal tracking, and then you've got a section for friends. You've got your profile settings, and over here you can adjust your goals, your records, etc. If you click on the watch, you've got lots of settings that you can activate. So watch face settings, unlock screen, incoming call alerts, event reminder, watch alarm, app alerts, idle alert, and you can click more. You've got incoming SMS and goal notifications. Furthermore, I'll skim through these settings over here just to show you what else you can do. Lift wrist to view info, run in background, ringtones, etc. So quite a feature-packed watch. You do have firmware updates at the bottom. In fact, when I first did pair this up, there was an update, and the firmware update was an automated process, and it did update the firmware automatically for me. So now we're going to do a quick screen on hand raise test. So Amazfit versus the Galaxy Watch. We're going to do them both at the same time to see how they fare. So here we go. Galaxy Watch straight away as usual, but the Amazfit wasn't bad at all. Let's do it again. Okay, a slight second delay and then it's on. I think it's doing a very good job, the Amazfit, for the screen on hand raise. The Galaxy Watch is definitely a lot faster, but a split second later the Amazfit turns on. Beautiful screen, slim watch, very responsive. So whilst I got both watches on my wrist, we may as well run a simultaneous heart rate test. We've got 83 on the Galaxy, and we're getting around, and we've got a live reading here on the Amazfit, and it's on 81, 82. So both smartwatches will provide you with a super accurate heart rate sensor. So there you have it, guys. That was the Xiaomi Amazfit GTR smart fitness watch. So here are my thoughts on this device. This is a great fitness smartwatch. You have multiple sensors built in, giving you superb, accurate results for the step counter, optical heart rate monitor, and GPS. The watch can also automatically monitor your sleep and exercises. Another bonus is it's 580m waterproof, so you can go swimming up to 50 meters underwater. The straps are also very comfortable and removable. Battery life is very impressive, and you can achieve up to 24 days. You have a beautiful design with an AMOLED display, and the touchscreen is very responsive. Now there are a few drawbacks which I have to mention. Whilst you can download watch faces, it takes nearly 1.5 minutes for the watch face to download from your smartphone and transfer to your watch. I think 1.5 minutes is a bit long to wait, and to make things a little bit more inconvenient, you can only download one watch face at a time. So if I was to download another watch face, the first one will disappear. Furthermore, Bluetooth calls and SIM cards are not supported. So bottom line, if you're looking for a solid, accurate fitness smartwatch which looks professional and attractive and durable and will give you a super battery life with lots of premium extras like 580m, GPS and lots more, then this is the one you need to consider. In fact, I'm calling the Amazfit GTR the best fitness smartwatch I have tested so far in 2019. And with that being said, I will leave the links in the description so you guys can check this product out. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all have a brilliant day. See you in the next one, guys.